how to update Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily update your Snapchat application. Now if the update is already out and if you're still not being able to get the update on your device, then here is a few tricks in what you can do. The first thing what you want to do is you want to open up your device settings. For that, you can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen and head into settings. Under settings, what you want to do is scroll down all the way below until you find the option apps. Now once you find the option apps, you want to search in for Snapchat here, or you can search it from the search bar as well. I'll just type in Snapchat here real quick and you can see Snapchat. You want to open it up. Once you open it up, you want to scroll down and head into the option that says storage. Under storage, you want to tap on manage storage option, and here it will ask you to delete app data. You can see here you want to confirm it. Once you do so, this will particularly reset the app, and once you do so, you can head back to Play Store, and once you head into Play Store, you want to look in for Snapchat, and once you do so there, instead of open option, you'll get the update option and you can simply update it. So this way you can update Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.